What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to unlock another skill tree in Dune Awakening. The skill tree we'll be talking about in this video is the Planetologist skill tree. To unlock this here, all that we need to do is, in Hacker Basin South, head across to the center of the map right over here. You'll have a quest to complete in the Imperial Testing Station number 2. Before you do this, I'd highly recommend heading to the top of this hill where we can speak to someone to start the quest, as we'll need to head back inside of the Imperial Testing Station number 2 into a secret room and complete the task there. To do so, there's a few ways of getting to the top of the mountain, but of course I'll just be, climbing my way up somewhere here, all the way to the top, right over there. Should be simple enough. There we go, we've discovered the camp, and right over here where this windmill was, just from the bottom there, inside of here, we'll need to head to the eastern side where this big tent is, and just inside here, there's someone we need to speak to. So, speaking to the person here, we can click through, saying you'd like to learn from them, and we can accept the contract here. All we need to do is find a secret room and grab an item from it. Bam, there we go. So, to continue, we'll head back down to the southwest side and make our way in. So, heading across, down, which I suppose is the official way to come up here. Definitely makes much more sense. We can head back across and into the Imperial Testing Station. So heading up here and in, we'll need to head straight down this very long staircase here. At the very bottom of the staircase here, you'll find a identification band we'll pick up and head to the door just to our right. In through here, you'll head all the way into this green room. Keep it going into this room here. Then to the left, all the way down here, you'll find some enemies, assuming it's not already cleared out, that is. Through this room, into the next, more to clear out. Some loot on the left-hand side. Over here, as you can see, heading to the right, continuing into this room with a big staircase. We'll clear it out and then head down the staircase. At the bottom of the staircase, you'll find this room over here, which we'll need to head into. And inside of this room, we'll head straight into this room where we'll see this orange light. To the right here, we'll need to approach it, open it just by hitting interact. And inside of here, we should find a hidden room. In here, on the table, we'll find a box which we can grab, and we've got the Imperial Testing Station records here. All we need to do now is leave this, so we'll head back out and get to handing in our quest. Now we just need to get back up to the top of the hill. You could of course take my way of getting your way up here, or you can go the long way around to the right and follow the more official path, I guess. I'll do what I do best and try to break the game. Heading all the way back up, we can speak to them once more to our right, and when we do, we can hand over the manifest, bam, deliver, and just like that, we've now unlocked the brand new skill tree. So check it out. Skills, Planetologist, here we go. In this skill tree, we can improve our energy usage of tools and things like that, and improve our mining, for example, improve our exploration with better still suits, for example, and improve our vehicles with better fuel, less heat generation, and things like that. It's a pretty cool skill tree. For most of the early points, I'll be sinking in extra mining, and later on, better fuel efficiency. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.